Hello, good afternoon. The first week in November has seen 154 millimetres of rain falling in Fylingdales in North Yorkshire. That's over 6 inches of rain, and even in London there's been more than 2 inches. And the Environment Agency still has several severe flood warnings in force on many rivers in England and Wales. For more information, contact the flood line on 0845 988 1188. Now, low pressure is still in charge of our weather. It's bringing further rain with it. You can see on the radar picture the extent of that wet weather, and the heaviest of this is in the north and the west. There's some hefty showers at the moment across parts of Wales and southwest England. There's also a lot of cloud around, and this wet weather here in the northeast is all tied in with this weather front, which in turn is wrapped around an area of low pressure. Now, it looks like this low pressure system is going to push northeastwards in the next couple of days, taking its weather fronts with it, in turn allowing an area of high pressure to move in from the west. But this settled weather is not going to last very long. Later on Friday, we're looking ahead to another band of wet and windy weather, which is going to move in from the northwest through Friday. And then that rain could well linger down towards the south coast right the way through the weekend. Now, at the moment, there's only around about a 30% chance of this happening. But if it does, we could see another inch or more of rain falling, particularly in southeastern areas. This is something that we're really watching and we'll keep you posted on in the next few days. But for the rest of today, there'll be a lot of cloud around. There'll be showers or longer spells of rain, perhaps a little bit of brightness and drier weather down towards the southeast. But it is going to feel cold in a blustery north wind, a top temperature of 7 to 9 in the north, 9 or 10 in the south. Then tonight we could see some clear skies at times down towards the south, but generally there'll be a lot of cloud around, still some rain about, and it's going to be windy. And with the cloud and wind, temperatures will drop no lower than around 4 or 5 degrees. So tomorrow morning looks like being quite cloudy. There'll still be some rain around, but through the day the showers look set to become fewer and further between. There'll even be a little bit of brightness in between them. But it is going to feel quite cold again in the wind, a top temperature of 8 to 11 degrees. Then on Friday it'll be a cold start, some ground frost in places, some patchy fog too. That wet and windy weather will push its way down from the northwest through the day. Then it could linger, as I said before, down towards the south coast throughout the weekend. Elsewhere we're going to see a mixture of sunny spells and some heavy blustery showers. That's the forecast. Have a very